Good afternoon. Who would like to pass out the math papers today? Oh, you? Okay. Would you like to pass them out? We're on lesson 127. The countdown begins. We only have 135 math papers. Are we going to count this one or not count it? To figure out how many more we have left. All right, well, I guess we better count it since we haven't done it yet. So 127, 128, 129, 130, 131, 132, 133, 134, 135. It's my favorite number. That's right, 9 lessons left. And after this, we can play lots of math games because you know how much I love math games. We won't stop with those. Those are something that you should do all the time. Even in the summertime, it's fun to play a math game. All right, today we're back to centimeters again. We're going to draw a 7-centimeter line segment for your name. And I've gone ahead and drawn it because it's really hard for me to hold my phone and record this video at the same time drawing a line segment on a ruler. And I'm going to write my name at the top. Oh, I hear some of you singing it. Name on your paper, first thing. And some of you are singing, write your name, write your name, write your name, name. Today's date. It's still April. Not many days left in April. And I'll look at my watch and see what day in April it is. All right, the 29th. And the year is 2020. 366 days in this year because of leap year. Usually 365. All right, days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 All right, today we're going to draw 29 tally marks. So tomorrow will be the last day of April. 30 days has September, April, June, and November. We sing about that on Go Noodle, don't we? The besties. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. All right, let's check it. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. All right, 29 tally marks. Let's go to number 1. Write the number 115 on the place value chart. All right, 115. So 100 plus 10 plus 5. All right, so 115 looks like this, 115, but it means this, 100 plus 10 plus 5. That equals 115. Number 2. There are 9 boys and 7 girls in Mrs. Glenn's class. Wow, they have more boys than we do, don't they? And less girls. Color the graph to show the number of boys and girls in Mrs. Glenn's class. All right, so boys, let's see, 9 boys. Well, they talk about boys first, but then they put boys second on here. I guess they're making sure you're reading it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's hard to see that crayon. I need to know where to stop. See if I stopped in the right place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have 10 here. They gave us 10 in case we needed it. And then there are 7 girls. All right, 7 girls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think I have a feeling what question they're going to ask. All right, so let's find out. Here's the children in Mrs. Glenn's class, what the question is. How many more boys than girls are there? How many more boys than girls are there? So there's different ways of finding this answer. We could take 9 minus 7. Or we can actually match these up and see that there's leftovers over here too. There's 2 with no match. But 9 minus 7 is also 2. So there's different ways of finding that answer. So there are 2 more boys than there are girls. And how many children are in the class altogether? So we're going to have to add 9 plus 7. I know 7 plus 7 is 14 because 7 plus 7 is right here. So this many is 14, and then 15, 16. So there are 16 kids in this class, just like our class? Wow. So in our class, we have 11 girls, and we have 5 boys. And that also equals 16. Very interesting. It's the same. All right, show 8:30 on both clocks. All right, we're going to show 8:30 on the digital clock and 8:30 on the analog clock. All right, let me think about this. When it's 8 o'clock, the big hand's at the top. When the big hand's at the top, you know it's 8 o'clock. But when the hand goes round and it's pointing down, it's 8:30 something o'clock. It's something 30. All right, so that shows it's something 30 right there. And we're going to be showing 8:30. All right, so it's not going to be on the 8. It's going to be halfway on its way to the 9. So it's not still on the 8, but yet it's not on the 9 either. It's halfway between there. And then when this long hand gets up to the top again, it'll be 9 o'clock. All right, and then over here, we're going to show 8:30. It's 8:30. So when the big hand's at the top, you know it's something o'clock. But when the hand goes round and it's pointing down, it's 8:30 something o'clock. It's something 30. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. 8:30. Remember, we do ladies first, the hour hand first, the short hand. So we say 8, and then we count by 5s for the minute hand. 30, 8:30. Draw a 5-sided polygon in this box. What's a polygon? Oh no, I can't remember. Let's see, a polygon has to have straight sides. It has to be a closed shape so the animal cannot escape from the pen. It has to have angles. 5-sided. So not a square. Not a trapezoid, not a hexagon. What has 5 sides? Can you think of what has 5 sides? It looks like a house. You think of what it's called? Kind of looks like home plate, doesn't it? Yeah, a pentagon. And then we count the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We can count the angles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, there's a 5-sided polygon. Very nice. And, I mean, you could draw it the other direction, too. It still has 5 sides, even if it's going this way. It still has its 5 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it still has its 5 angles. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right, down here. Circle the rectangular prism. All right, which one looks like a rectangle? This one looks like a triangle. That is a sphere. I know it's not that one. This one looks a lot like a rectangle, and this one is a cone. All right, so it has to either be this one or this one. Which one do you think is the rectangular prism? A rectangular prism looks a lot like a tissue box, like a Kleenex box. So if you said this one, you were correct. That is a rectangular prism. And it says put an X on the cone. And we know which one is the cone, don't we? Very nice. Down here's our new concept. Find the differences. And when we find the differences, what we're doing is we're subtracting. We're taking away. So we're going to do the one side first, or the pennies first. 9 take away 0. And then we're going to do the 10 side, or the dime side. 7 take away 1. We had 79 cents, and we spent 10, and now we got 69 cents. Over here, we've got 65 minus 23. 5 minus 3 equals 2. And 6 minus 2, that's right, it equals 4. All right, I'll let you solve this one. Tell me the answer. What's 3 minus 2? Now, if you said 4, you're adding instead of subtracting. You've got to take away. So 3 minus 1, you're going to go backwards. Remember, you can use this for a number line. You're going to go 3 minus 1. And then 4 minus 4. 4 minus 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're at 0. And you do not have to write the 0 here, but if you want to, you can. 0, 2 means the same thing as 2. It means the same thing, because when 0 comes before a number, it means nothing. It's nothing right there. Just still means 2. All right, over here, we've got 9 minus 8. That leaves 1, and then the 3. There's nothing to subtract here, so we bring the 3 down. And we had 39 cents, and we spent 8 cents at the store, and now we have 31 cents. All right, let's go back and check for blanks. Make sure we didn't leave any blanks. Oh, I left a blank right here. It's a good thing I checked for it. Circle the digit that tells the number of tens. Gotta circle the tens. All right, any more blanks? Anything else? All right, very nice. So we are done with side A. You're going to go ahead and do side B right now. It's kind of nice. You don't have to do it at nighttime, isn't it, for homework? At nighttime, you get to have time with your family. So down here again, you'll be looking for a rectangular prism. Looks like a Kleenex box. And you'll be doing the new concept of subtracting 2-digit numbers. And then you'll be doing your fact sheet. Let's see if I have a copy of that. Your fact sheet is also number 127, and it is 2-sided. All right, I hope you have a super great day. It was really fun doing side A with you. I really enjoyed it. See you later. Bye-bye.